Look up at the sky, see that red dot? What if I told you that world might have once harbored life, or that we could live there one day? Today, we're diving into one of humanity's greatest questions. We're going to Mars. Mars is often called Earth's sister. It has seasons and polar ice caps, and evidence shows it once had liquid water flowing on its surface. But this similarity is deceiving. Mars is a harsh world 225 million kilometers away. Much smaller, colder, and with an atmosphere too thin to breathe. Its gravity is just 38% of Earth's. On Mars, walking would feel like moving in slow motion, with every step turning into a small jump. It's a world of mystery, a challenge, and perhaps humanity's next home. The question is, are we ready?
A world where you can't catch your breath. Mars's atmosphere is so thin, it's almost non-existent. It's mostly carbon dioxide, no oxygen. Without protection, you'd have seconds to live. The pressure would crush you, leaving behind only silence. A deep, terrifying silence. But Mars isn't just cold, it's wild. Sometimes the dust rises and the planet shows its true face. Gigantic storms that can cover the entire planet. Storms that can last for weeks, even months. And the temperature swings are extreme. A balmy 20 degrees at the equator during the day. But at night, it plummets to a freezing 90 degrees. This is Mars, a beautiful but utterly unforgiving world. Are you ready to explore it?
Mars, temperatures can plummet to minus 125 degrees Celsius. A cold so extreme, it's beyond imagination. But Mars's poles aren't static. They grow and shrink with the seasons, as if the entire planet is breathing. Mars is a planet of giants. Meet Olympus Mons, the solar system's tallest volcano. It's 22 kilometers high, nearly 3 times the height of Everest. And then there's Valles Marineris, a canyon so vast it spans 4,000 kilometers. These colossal structures tell a story. They tell us that Mars was once a far more active world, a planet with a past as dynamic as it is mysterious. Is water. Because Mars wasn't always like this. Billions of years ago, water flowed on its surface. There were rivers, there were lakes, maybe even oceans. So what happened? Where did the water go? How did Mars become this barren world? This is one of humanity's greatest questions. Was there life on Mars? And could microscopic life forms still exist, hidden underground? Going to Mars is no longer just a dream. It's a real goal, and could be humanity's next great leap. But the journey is fraught with danger, deadly radiation, bitter cold, and profound loneliness. Yet, humanity doesn't give up, because to discover is in our nature. The real question is, why is Mars like this today? A planet that was once wet, and maybe even alive, is now a dry, dead world. What happened? The answer is hidden in its past. Mars' greatest loss was its magnetic field. Unlike Earth, which has a protective shield, Mars was left defenseless. Without this shield, powerful solar winds bombarded the planet, slowly but surely, stripping away its atmosphere over millions of years. As the atmosphere thinned, pressure dropped, and liquid water vanished from the surface. The rivers dried up, the lakes disappeared, and so, Mars lost its breath, transforming into the silent, hush world we see today.
If the secret to life on Mars isn't on the surface at all. The surface is a radiation hellscape, but recent discoveries show there are massive reserves of ice and even liquid water hidden underground. And on our own planet, life finds a way in the most extreme places. If it can happen here, why not on Mars? We're not just speculating, we're actively searching. Our robotic explorers are scouring the planet, analyzing soil and rocks, hunting for any clue of past or present life. Every piece of data unlocks a new secret. But the biggest question remains, are we alone?